In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add space between categories in a multi-row card in Power BI and what you should watch out for along the way. Navigating the formatting landscape of Power BI can be like exploring uncharted territory. While it offers powerful visual tools, some of the spacing adjustments you may want to make can feel limited. So, I'll guide you through some solutions and clever workarounds to enhance your presentation and ensure everything looks professional and clear. Let's start by diving into the multi-row card visual you have on your report. First, click on the multi-row card that you wish to adjust. Now, turn your attention over to the Format pane, which is your command center for styling these visuals. Within the Format pane, you'll want to look for options labeled Card or General. These can sometimes be a bit hidden, but once you find them, look for settings related to padding, or specifically inner padding and outer padding. Adjusting these settings is your first step in increasing the amount of space around each row within the card. It's like adding breathing room between them, effectively making each piece of information stand out more distinctly. Now, let's consider the category labels. These are the labels that appear before each row. While they can be useful, they also contribute to visual clutter, particularly when dealing with a wealth of data. If your aim is to maximize spacing and reduce clutter, consider turning these labels off, or perhaps simply reducing their size. By doing so, you can create a more minimalist appearance, which can help reduce perceived crowding, making the entire visual feel more spacious. Another simple approach is to adjust the overall size of your visual. By making the visual taller, increasing its height, you often introduce more space between rows naturally. It's almost like stretching a piece of elastic. The individual components begin to spread out as you increase the height of the visualization. Finally, let's talk about a more creative workaround using DAX measures. This can be just the trick you need for those extra spaces. You can create a measure aptly called spacer by using a formula like spacer equals if then some condition within brackets, followed by blank in brackets, and another blank in brackets. This might seem a bit technical, but it effectively acts as an invisible row. You strategically place this measure where you need additional space between rows. It creates the illusion of space without disrupting your data, as these blanks won't show up, but their presence can help provide the spacing you desire. Keep in mind that while these tips can be very effective, their success may vary depending on the specific structure and content of your report. Experiment with these methods, find that sweet spot of balance, and ensure your data is not only accurate, but also beautifully presented. Thanks for watching and happy visualizing.